Hi, I'm Roger Margolis. We're here at the AI conference in San Francisco in 2018, and I'm here with Huma Abidi, who is the Director of Machine Learning and Deep Learning Software at Intel. I know that Intel has made a big push in this area, and so I'm curious, who you are in terms of working on this and what you work on at Intel.
Yeah, glad to be here. So my focus is getting software to get best performance out of the hardware. And I manage a software optimization team in the artificial intelligence product group at Intel. And we have a very extensive portfolio for both hardware and software. So on the hardware side, from data center to edge to device, we have general purpose CPUs. We also have FPGAs, we have accelerator, neural network processor. So all that is there, but without the software, you won't get the maximum out of it, especially for AI workloads, which are very compute intensive. Mm-hmm. So the focus that my team has is to optimize this and to make sure that the performance that our customers get is the best that you can. So we leverage, for example, all the open source frameworks that are out there. So TensorFlow, PyTorch, MXNet, all of those, we work closely with them, and we make sure that they are highly optimized specifically for Xeon or all other Intel hardware. So that's the focus that I have.
Okay, so a real software focus to make sure that you're getting the performance that you want.
Yes, exactly, right. Exactly.
And it sounds like you're looking at both sides. Do you make changes to the hardware as well too?
Absolutely. So yeah, so our hardwares gain new instructions. So for example, in the upcoming next generation Xeon processor, we are introducing DL Boost VNNI, and to match with that, we are adding our own software optimization. So together, generation over generation, we will get another 11x boost. So it's a combination of both hardware and software.
Mm-hmm. Great. And can you give an example of customers that you're working with where you're providing both the hardware and the software?
So one such example is Novartis, the pharmaceutical company. And they had an interesting problem where they had to analyze very large images, like 26x large than the data sets that we are used to. And so for that, our Xeon scalable processor was indeed the best solution because of its large memory capacity. And so taking advantage of our highly optimized, Intel-optimized TensorFlow and scaling it up to 8 node, we were able to reduce the training time from hours to just minutes. And so there are many examples in healthcare or education, government, retail. We are working very closely with our partners. And the best thing that Intel has to offer is that depending on whether it's the customer wants performance, or if latency is more important or power is more important. So depending on what they need, we have the right hardware and the software solution for that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Hearing the way you're doing this, are you open sourcing?
So starting from the very basic Intel's math kernel library for deep neural network, that is open source. Then we have something what we call ngraph, which serves as a abstraction layer or a glue between the open source frameworks and the various different architectures that it supports. In addition to that, we also have our AI lab, which has many products such as reinforcement learning coach, natural language processor architect, and many other such things that we are continuously open sourcing for people.
Well, that sounds great. Thanks a lot for participating with us.
Glad to be here. Thank you, Roger.